20 futuristic kitchen gadgets for a smart cooking experience. Sometimes, it can be tough to shop for foodies who already reserve their kitchen with the latest and best small appliances, utensils, and cooking tools. Whether you're looking for a funny conversation starter or a time-saving tool that'll make cooking much more enjoyable, these kitchen gadgets are useful and delightfully quirky. Here are 20 such amazing gadgets. Let's begin. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 6 Quart. Electric pressure cookers were available before the Instant Pot, but the brand popularized the item and made it nearly as common as slow cookers were for prior generations. The 6-quart Duo 60 cooker is one of the most popular models, featuring 7 cooking mods that include pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, saute browning, yogurt maker, steamer, and warmer, as well as 14 preset cooking programs that make cooking dinner from scratch on a hectic site simple. When making yogurt, the device never had to hit to saute to get the milk to the right temperature, and slow cooking always delivered tender beans and beef in 4 hours on high. Number 2. Bluetooth speaker and kitchen stand. While cooking or entertaining guests, this simple gadget lets you watch cooking videos, listen to audio, and search for new recipes. It's a 2-piece set with a speaker and a stand for bringing your iPad to the kitchen. This stand-cum speaker takes up very little space and costs you around just $35. Number 3. Prisma Smart Kitchen. The Prisma Kitchen has a basic minimalistic appearance, but it is equipped with a cutting-edge control and high-tech functionality, thanks to a built-in Samsung Galaxy Tab, seamlessly integrated into the Italian-crafted kitchen. The kitchen set comprises a tall unit, open elements, the main island unit with an interactive table, hanging cupboards, a base element, and a suspended top. This innovative and futuristic smart kitchen design allows you to search for and visualize recipes while cooking on the same counter. Some people, however, may have difficulty adjusting to it. Number 4. The Electrolux Mobile Kitchen. The Electrolux Mobile Kitchen design is inspired by the design of a laptop. The base is an induction cooktop that is covered by a board that can be used as a cutting board or as a second layer. The Electrolux Mobile Kitchen employs induction cooking technology and includes 4 induction rings of varying diameters. The touchscreen display can be used to search for recipes online and view and download free and comprehensive culinary tutorials. Number 5. The AGA iTotal Control. The new AGA electric iTotal Control cooker features 3 distinct independently running ovens for roasting, baking, and simmering foods. It also includes a cool touchscreen interface for controlling those ovens. On top, there's a boiling plate and a simmering plate. What truly distinguishes it is the fact that it can be operated from anywhere in the world. Although it seems improbable, it is conceivable. You can now send a text message to manage your oven without being in the house. Number 6. The 2-in-1 Induction Cooker. The 2-in-1 is an induction cooker designed mostly for indoor use. It has cooking plates that can be separated and transported. You can even take the stove outside. Everything will be so simple because there will be no need for power cords. Number 7. The Global Chef. Designer David Dawood didn't want to cook alone anymore. Thus, he invented the Global Chef. It employs laser hologram technology to bring people all together, allowing you to cook alongside your favorite celebrities and chefs. It also has the wonderful features of lowering cooking noise and proposes recipes based on the ingredients in the bowl. Number 8. The VIA Cooking Concept. We discovered a fantastic modular concept that is also quite compact, because one of the major issues in the kitchen is a lack of room. Interchangeable grilling, griddle, and induction cooking modules are included with the machine, and the device can be placed on any counter. Number 9. The Tower Food Warmer. Do you wish to take pizzas to work? Then this one is for you. The Tower Food Pizza spares you from troubles when your pizza gets cold and rubbery, or your warm salad becomes cold. It keeps your feast fresh and includes various compartments that can be shut, so you don't make a mess in the kitchen. Number 10. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer Green. Avocados can be difficult to open, especially if you don't have much experience with a knife. If you reach for this nutritious product frequently, you might consider purchasing an avocado slicer. You can use the OXO avocado slicer to remove the pit and slice the avocado while taking it from its shell and opening it. Number 11. Future Cook. Future Cook is an interactive device that functions as a prep area, an induction cooktop with an integrated food processor, and a washing station. Using existing technologies, it will be possible to add quirky features to the workstation, such as nutritional information about the prepared food and computerized recipes. Number 12. The In My Fridge Project. Ever wanted to have something futuristic in your fridge? This refrigerator uses radio frequency technology and gathers information about the quality, quantity, and expiration date of the food you're storing. It shows everything, including recipes, on a touchscreen display and allows you to see what's inside without having to open the door. Number 13. Breville the Smart Grinder Pro Coffee Bean Grinder. The $200 Breville Smart Grinder Pro Coffee Grinder crushes beans into coffee grounds suited for espresso, drip, cold brew, and French press using steel burrs. Nonetheless, it is costly, difficult to operate, and makes mistakes while grinding for drip pots. It offers 60 grind sizes and bundles a pair of paddles designed to accept 2 common sizes of espresso portafilter. Number 14. Dream Farm Vebo. The Dream Farm Vebo vegetable steam strainer makes it easier than ever to steam vegetables. The Vebo has stay cooler handles that make it easy to move from pot to sink. The Vebo, with diameters of 5 to 7 inches, can carry enough veggies for 2 individuals or a small family, and it is heat resistant to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can rest easy knowing it will last steam after steam. Number 15. The Electrolux Mobile Induction Heat Plate. This portable hot plate prototype, designed by Finland's Tommy Moljanen as part of Electrolux's 2011 Design Lab competition, syncs with a smartphone software that could one day decipher intelligent food packaging that signals how to cook the food precisely. The smartphone software is intended to be used in tandem with intelligent food packaging, where NFC tags provide instructions on how to properly cook the food. The smartphone software also includes a memory that remembers how you previously cooked. The induction plate has a glossy black and white appearance with a wooden handle that makes it easy to transport and store. It can also be hung on a wall to charge the battery. Number 16. Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. An immersion blender can accomplish almost everything a countertop blender can do, but it also has a few additional tricks up its sleeve. Blending soups and sauces right in the cooking pot is where it really shines. It's also fantastic for pureeing beans in a cast iron frying pan. The Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender is strong and boasts variable speed control, eliminating the need for presets. Number 17. Smart Herb Garden. The innovative Smart Herb Garden lets you grow basil, thyme, or any other herb without worrying whether the plants have enough nutrients, water, or light. With over 3 years of research and development behind it, the Smart Herb Garden's backbone is the growing medium, a nanotech material intended to supply plant roots with the optimum quantity of oxygen, water, and nutrients at any moment. The specially designed, natural-looking light system in the indoor garden gives plants enough light to grow while only using 6 watts of energy. There's no need for sun and no need for soil. Interesting, isn't it? Number 18. The Cook Tablet. While print cookbooks have been a modern kitchen mainstay for decades, emerging technologies can streamline and enhance our culinary experience in exciting ways. Cook Tablet comes with hundreds of recipes, with up to 3,600 dishes, with all premium content options. Number 19. Amber Temperature Controlled Smart Mug 2. The luxury of an advanced, high-tech mug that always keeps your beverage heated to the correct temperature has an unmistakable appeal. You may modify and select your chosen temperature, ranging from 120 to 145 degrees, by connecting the smart mug to its app on your smartphone. It also has temperature presets for several varieties of tea, as well as cappuccinos and lattes. Finally, Peromi Herb Scissors. Cutting tiny herbs is a dangerous task if you're a clumsy worker in your kitchen. These scissors can be used to carefully chop small herbs like chives and cilantro, so your dish will be free of unevenly sized herbs, and your fingertips will be safe from cuts or mishaps. These scissors include 5 pairs of razor-sharp blades that rapidly snip fresh herbs into tiny pieces that are excellent for topping your favorite foods. Well, there you have the best gadgets to futuristically modify your kitchen. Which ones are you planning to get? Hit the comments and share your thoughts on these amazing gadgets. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the best stuff. Adios.